Guys, welcome back. It's Discount Tools here with another unboxing video. Part 2 of my best drill bits discussion video. We're doing number 2 tonight. If you remember, we did Makita the other night, which I wasn't too thrilled about. But right now we got the Dewalt 31-piece screw driving kit. I got this one at Lowe's. This was $10 over the holiday season. We're going to have another drill bit from Home Depot because I want to see what's the difference between the two. See if there's any differences, because this one's labeled Flex Torque, as you can see. And the other one, I forget what the name of it is, but we'll see the difference between the two, if there is any difference, or is it just a marketing scheme. So this, just like the Makita, a little too close here, zoom out here, is has the extended flex torque zone. I think the other one had said it was a torsion zone or something like that. So you have 31 pieces. Come on, stop with the glare. Let's look at the back. So you get a variety of bits, 2 nuts, nut drivers, 1 bit holder. You get 1 extended, 2, 4, 9 extended bits of 2 inches, and then 10, 19 1-inch bits. So we're opening her up. We'll see also here, the nut drivers are, by the way, 1/4 and 5/16. And let's see if there's any if you guys want to know, the set is DWA 2NGFT 31IR. Dewalt did not spend a lot of time, I guess, putting up that style number there. But let's open her up. Got a little trusty Milwaukee here. Alright. So let's start with the closing and opening. The plastic feels a little heavier than the Makita. I think the Makita had a better system here. This is a little tough, but it might loosen up over a couple of periods. Very well made bits. Let's see how they come out. Much better than the Makita. If you would like to know why I'm saying that, put a link right up here for the review on the Makita. Try to put these in a playlist, but they are not going back in as to the way they're supposed to. Wow. I am very upset right now. These should just pop right in. Wow, they're really giving you a fight here. No wonder there's $10. You gotta really put them back in like that. They're not really staying after you put them back in, too. As you can see. Let's take out the bit holder. I want to see the bit retention. This is a Phillips number 2 bit. Not really that great of bit retention. Very easy to slip out. A little sloppy on Dewalt right here. As if you remember, the Makita was really in there. You couldn't use. This is just very easy in and out. Put the see if this is any easier put back in or not. You really gotta almost come from behind. Basically slide it back in and then push it in. Now that I'm getting the hang of it, let's try up here. Yeah, I'm not really liking the case on these, especially since it should just be an easy in and out, not you have to go underneath these holders. It should be more like this, and then you kind of pop it in. But even these, you have to go from up top and put them in like so. So we'll do something more testing on these later on, but that's my initial thoughts on unboxing this video. So if you like, please hit the like button on the bottom, subscribe, hit that bell notification if you like unboxing videos, and leave a comment down below. Until then, keep on trucking, guys. Have a good night.